The inborn error of amino acid metabolism, L-captonuria, is due to the lack of one of the following enzymes. Option A, fumarate acetoacetate hydrolase. Option B, alpha keto acid decarboxylase. Option C, homogentisate oxidase. Or option D, para hydroxyphenyl pyruvate dehydroxylase. So the correct answer would be option C, homogentisate oxidase. L-captonuria is an inborn error of amino acid metabolism caused by the deficiency of the enzyme homogentisate 1,2-dihydrogenase, also known as homogentistic acid oxidase. This enzyme is responsible for breaking down homogentisic acid, a product of tyrosine and phenylalanine metabolism.